There are several reasons why you might want to buy life insurance for a kid. And I know nobody likes to think about the mortality of their children because we want to think that they're young, we're going to raise them, they're going to be around forever, we're not going to have to deal with any of that. But the reality is you may, and if something were to happen, you would want to plan. Not only that, but there are a lot of benefits that are aside from the death benefit. I'm noticing that my hair looks really awesome. You see this? My hair's finally long enough to put up in a top knot. That hasn't happened since like 1998. So, and this jacket that I wore out to do my running this morning, I bought in like 11th grade. So it's lasted a while. Go Old Navy. So one of the reasons is if you get a permanent policy or like a universal policy that can accumulate a cash value, not only is your child already insured, so if they get older, happen to gain some kind of disability or some disease that would cause them to not be insurable, they already have a certain amount of insurance. They can start accumulating that cash value that can later be taken out, withdrawn for something else, college or down payment on a house or whatever. Another reason for me, when I thought about my kids and what would happen to me if something were to happen to them, I know myself enough to know that I would be an emotional mess. And one of the things that I'm basically purchasing with money is time. I wouldn't want to have to go to work right away. So I have some built in for me just to be able to take off work, to not have to go back to the daycare. I don't think I could face some of those things. And you have to kind of put yourself there emotionally so that you can make those decisions and go, okay, if I have to deal with this terrible case, what is the best case of a worst case?